Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this video lecture, I will guide you for slab structure details. If you are working on construction site, if you are studying, so watch this video till the end to know how to place steel reinforcement, what should be the diameter of steel reinforcement in the construction of RCC slab with beam, and how should be the section of steel reinforcement, especially at the distance of L/4. So this is very important video, so watch till the end. So if you are new on this channel, so you may subscribe this channel, and if the video is helpful for you, so you may like this video. Let's get started, guys. First of all, size of the room is, our slab is, you can say 4 meter by 6 meter. Width is 4 meter and length is 6 meter. Guys, you can see here is I already did the hatching by a pencil, which is floor beam. Okay, so this is floor beam, and guys, you can see this is slab, this is RCC slab. Now let me guide you for steel reinforcement. Guys, you can see these red lines, you can see this is steel reinforcement of crank bar. Guys, you can see here this is crank bar or bent up bar. Okay, so this is double way slab, so therefore we have main bars on both sides. You can see guys, we have also if you see here, this is crank bar on lengthwise, also on widthwise we have crank bar. Okay, so guys, here if you have a RCC slab, so remember the size of the steel or the diameter of the slab, the steel should not be less than 12 millimeter. Okay, this is 12 millimeter dia. Next, guys, but here with the spacing of 6 by 6 inches, 6 inches center to center. Okay, for main bars, also for distribution bars. Okay, next, guys, you can see if you provide same like this, guys, you can see if we provide the steel same like this, so this is not crank bar. Okay, so this is not crank bar, but here, guys, if you see, let me show you. If you see, guys, this is crank bar, but this is plain steel reinforcement. Okay, so don't provide same like this. At the distance of L/4, you are able to provide crank bar, because near with supports, if you see, this is its section. Guys, you can see this is column, COL column, and this is other column. So near its support we have negative bending moment. To resist negative bending moment, you should provide crank bar. Guys, you can see in this section, this crank bar, guys, you can see this is same like this. Look here, this is crank bar. We bend the bar at the distance of L/4. It means, guys, look here, the span is here 6 meter. At the distance of L/4, it means 6 meter divided by 4. So at the distance of 1.5 meter, you should provide crank bar. So this is at the distance of 1.5 meter. This is crank bar to resist negative bending moment, but crank bar or bent up bar is economical. So if you provide extra steel rod, so that is more better than this, but that one is expensive method, which is called extra steel rod. So we don't provide crank bar in that case. Okay, guys, you can see here this is crank bar. So same, if I create the section here, so the section should be same like this, guys. Look here, like this. Okay, and guys, you can see here, this is this angle you can keep up to 45 to 60 degree. Okay, this is crank bar. So therefore, guys, the steel reinforcement dia should not be less than 12 millimeter with the spacing of 6 by 6 inches. To resist negative bending moment, you should provide extra steel rods. Okay, next, guys, remember one thing more. So if you need to provide lapping length, okay, so lapping is not allowed. Look here, Lapping is not allowed or not allow at the distance of L by 4, where L by 4 we have 1.5 meter. L by 4 is equal to 1.5 because the length is 6 meter. If you see at this section, so L by 4 is 1 meter. Look here, 1 meter. So this is 2 meter and this is 1 meter. Total this is 4 meter. Okay. Therefore, this is very important to know about this point. Next, guys, if you need to provide lapping, so lapping you can provide after L by 4. So you can say at the distance of L by 6. L by 6 you can provide lapping length. Okay. So the lapping should not be less than 50 D, where D is dia of steel. Okay. So 50D means 50 multiply 12. It means 600 millimeter. Okay. So this is about crank bar. Next, guys, here as I discussed in many videos how to provide longitudinal bars in beam and bottom portion and top portion, where you can provide the spacing of stirrups closely, where you can provide maximum, etc. So that is in next video. I will also guide you for this. But now, guys, here I will guide you for other point that is called concrete cover. Okay, so concrete cover should be 25 millimeter. Don't provide more than this, or you can say 1 inch or 25 millimeter. This is specially for RCC slab. Okay. Next, guys, if you are going more than 2-story or more than 2 stories, so floor beam is also very important, because when the load comes on the top of the slab, so slab transfer the load to the beam, floor beam, and beam transfer the load to the columns. As you can see, guys, these are columns. It transfer the load to the columns, and columns transfer the load to the foundation. How? Guys, you can see, let me create the foundation here. So this is the proper way, like this, guys, or you can say footing. As you can see, same here. Okay, here. Okay, so this is its foundation. Inside this foundation we have steel reinforcement, same like this, as you can see. Okay. Also remember, sometime also we required to provide here what? Plinth beam on the top of the, this is called plinth beam, which connect two columns or two footings with each other in the foundation. So, guys, this is the proper way about steel reinforcement, main bars and distribution bars, its spacing, what should be the diameter, about lapping length, concrete cover, and the load transfer mechanism, etc. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.